Hello everyone, we're going to be making some steaks in the air fryer. These are thin cut T-bone steaks. Pretty thin. They're not real thick. So they're calling for 400 for rare is 6 minutes. Medium is 8 minutes and well done is 10 minutes. I'm going to do medium, so it'll be 8 minutes. So I'm going to preset everything up and I will be right back. Okay, this is how it looks inside the air fryer. I will be flipping it at 4 minutes. If I'm going to put it for 8 minutes, I'm going to flip it at 4 minutes so it cooks evenly. I'll be right back. Okay, our steaks are done. This is medium for 8 minutes for 400 degrees. So 8 minutes, 400 degrees, flip at 4 minutes in between so it cooks even. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll have the seasonings that I used on there, and I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Hello everyone, I'm going to be making some onions and peppers from frozen. I'm going to put them in the air fryer for 400 for 10 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, our onions and peppers are done. They look good, they smell good, and they also taste good. So I hope you like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.